Simple Forex Options Forex Masterclass is by far one of the most intuitive and informative Forex masterclasses that I have ever taken. I've been trading Forex moderately for about 5 years now and taken several trading courses throughout that time. And I have to say, Tevin Marshall's course is one of the best Forex classes that I have ever taken. The information he provides, the way he provides it, clear, concise, the tools and resources that he provides, I believe has truly improved my trading success and the methodology and the way I approach the market and my understanding of the markets. I believe anyone who is either a beginning to trading Forex, or maybe you've been trading for a while like I have and still feel you need to improve yourself, which I think we all do in some regard as we learn and grow in this market, and understanding Forex, trading Forex, and basically growing as a trader in general, would benefit from the SFO masterclass. It's definitely something that I have added to my regimen. I use the tools and the information there on a daily basis now when trading, and my success in the markets have definitely improved because of it. Thank you.